In this video, I'll show you how to open and verify a Bybit account. To begin, open the Bybit app on your phone and access the main dashboard. Tap on the Sign Up option to start the registration process. You can choose to register using your email, mobile number, or Google account, but for this demonstration, we'll use an email. Enter a strong password and, if you have a referral code, add it here. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click Sign Up. You will receive a verification code in your email, so open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it in the app to proceed. At this stage, your Bybit account is created, but still unverified. To verify your account, tap on the Verify Now button. Then click Verify. Select your country or region, and choose the type of ID document you will submit. Carefully review all requirements and guidelines before continuing. If the app prompts for permission to access your camera, allow it. Take clear photos of both the front and back of your ID, making sure all details are readable, and retake them if necessary. Next, take a selfie with your face fitting properly within the frame, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once submitted, your verification will be under review, which usually takes about 24 hours to complete. Once approved, you will achieve Level 1 verification, granting you access to basic features and rewards. For added security and to protect your account, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Tap the profile icon at the top left of the app, select Security, then click Google Two-Factor Authentication. Enter the verification code sent to your email and click Confirm. Copy the provided key, add it to your Authenticator app, and retrieve the generated code. Paste this code back into the Bybit app to complete your 2FA setup. Once this is done, your Google Authenticator will be fully set up, and you will need to enter an authenticator code every time you log in for added security.